By the way, I'm listening. I am just.
It's all good. I'm getting some things set up.
I don't want those.
Mark,
I'm just getting things out of the way.
how often, if for one of those things, would you have it on? Do you think?
Okay, so
Whenever we're at home.
Whenever we're at home. Okay, so.
Would it be only when you're awake? Or would it be when you're
Whenever
home?
we.
So, what's it? 10 hours? 5? 8? I'm gonna do
Yeah,
10 for an average.
Yeah, that's for average. Yeah.
you're taking a
Maybe
video.
more. Yeah, 10 of average. So-
He loves it so much.
Oh my god, he's taking a bath in air. Yeah.
I've been so hot.
Oh, this is the best.
So, it would cost at our apartment $53 a month.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
It's not too bad.
When we have more money, we should
And
look
electricity.
into getting one of those.
David, how much did you get that? for?
I think it was on sale for $500.
Yeah, that is the big issue that
For the
most exciting
AC
to get
unit.
my savings back
Oh,
up after.
Kiwi.
Did Kiwi just make himself fall?
He tried to land on a thing that's not a landing.
He tried to land on the curtain and
The
wasn't.
curtain rod is inside the hole, my friend. You can't land on it.
Shall we see him
Try again.
Oh.
Yes, really.
Oh, heel shape.
Don't flag your tail feathers at me. David, are you taking a lot of pictures, or do you have a voice recorder?
I don't know. I've been filming it the
He's been
entire
filming
time.
The entire time. So yeah, he has us going
He has-
Wolf Wilson
he has-
his bird.
He has video of me yelling at his bird to quit shaking his tail feathers at me. Talk to your wings,
Oh, he's
dude.
so happy.
Why?
I give it a bitty bitty bitty. Oh, there you go.